You could think of assertiveness, guys, as a balance between trying to get her needs met and protecting yourself. It's that balance. Before, a lot of guys on the spectrum have totally been in the business of protecting themselves. In other words, if things get a little hairy, they take a meltdown or a shutdown. So now I'm going to try to hang in there and actually listen to what she has to say and actually try to resolve this stuff, but I'm not going to be her whipping post. And she's not going to know when she crosses the line with me, and so I'm going to have to tell her point blank that this crosses up the line with me, and I'm not going to tolerate it. That's not being aggressive. That's not shutting down. That's not doing anything other than letting her know, I want to hear what you say, but I may have to take a time out. I may have to have these discussions at a different time of day. And I'm doing it for your benefit because I want to hear your message. And I'm going to save you from your old pattern of message delivery that influences me to not want to hear it. So one of the things you could do for me, it would be helpful if you have something that's pressing that you need to discuss with me. I'm willing to listen to one problem at a time earlier in the day, as long as we can keep the discussion fairly short. And if it goes on too long, I may have to take a time out. We may have to pick it up later. But I'm doing this for your benefit because I want to get your message. But the only way I'm going to get your message is if I keep my anxiety at bay so that I can think straight.